Good morning, everyone. So we have one of our professors. Please introduce yourself to us, sir.
Well, my name is Gabriel Adewunmi Dedeke.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir. So can you please shed more light on the precision agriculture and the program, what today's event is about?
Well, as we all know that agriculture is very important thing to us now in Nigeria. Almost every government in Nigeria has been making effort greatly to enhance agriculture. You know, there is no way you can feed a nation if agriculture is not given its premium place in that nation. And that's why year in, year out, government spent a lot of money on agriculture. But one of the problems that we have with the way we do agriculture now is that we are still doing more of the older style of agriculture, which is not yielding great dividend for us. And so if we are going to actually have dividends for all our efforts, it's very important for us to begin to think precision in whatever we do. For example, you go to a field, you discover that a section of the field has nutrients, another section does not have. So, but it's not easy for a farmer to know if you did not bring in into its methods of precision agriculture that will help you to be able to map that field, help you to know where you have enough nutrients and where you do not have, so that you will know that, oh, there is nutrient here on this side. I won't have to pour more of my fertilizer there. I will move to where I do not have nutrients in that field. So these are some of the things that we mean by precision agriculture. You want to spray even water, you will be able to know this side needs more than this side, and so on. And that's one of the things that precision agriculture is really about. It helps to save costs. At the same time, it helps to boost yield.
Jane, how will this precision agriculture, how will you help?
Okay, like as you see that it's a privilege that we are the one hosting this third precision agriculture that is ongoing. The main site is in Morocco, okay, and for Nigeria, it's FUNAB, and we have other, as you can see here, other centers in Africa. Now that speaks volume that FUNAB is a recognized university when it comes to agriculture in Nigeria, and not only in Nigeria, in Africa, okay, and that also speaks to the fact that FUNAB as a university should actually tap into that, because we should tap into that as if we are recognized, and then we should go forward again and tap into the opportunity that we have being able to associate with an international organization like this one that we are associated with, so that more opportunity can come to students, to staff, okay. So we should be able to tap into it. And as you can see, I that I'm speaking to you, I'm from biological sciences.
Yeah.
I'm a zoologist, I'm an ecophysiologist. So you wonder, what are you doing in research agriculture? Okay, because there are different aspects of environment that we are involved in, okay, that also makes us to tap into that. So almost everybody in this university, regardless of which area you are, can be involved in ensuring that precision agriculture is a success, in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So now, how would this affect the farmers, both inside FUNAB and outside
Okay,
FUNAB?
okay. As to farmers, the hard fact is that the researchers are the one that will have to step down whatever they are doing in terms of precision agriculture. Mind you, part of precision agriculture is also the issue of climate change that is ongoing, and you want to be able to predict, to a very great extent, what will happen in probably in the next few months that we are in the next year. What will be the weather pattern be like? Rainfall, what will be like, and humidity, and so on and so forth. Because those are the things that determines when you plant on the field. They are the things that determine your yield. How will that affect the nutrient, the soil nutrients, and so on? So researchers in precision agriculture will know that based on their research, and then they will be able to then extend the information through the agric extension officers and all that, extend the information to farmer and tell them, be on the lookout, is going to likely happen. Oh, that place where you are farming, the nutrient has been depleted there. We need to do this to help you to build up that nutrient and so on. So, and different methods of planting that will not consume too much of the nutrients in the soil and so on will have to be brought to play. And of course, you can see here we have the Fishing Academy here with their drone and all that. Drone is also a principal aspect of this to help us to actually monitor what we are talking about.